Hey everybody, I'm going to be explaining the directions for our teaching presentations. So in morning meeting, starting on Friday, so starting tomorrow, everybody is going to present one day. Okay, so only one student will present on Friday, and then one student Monday, one student Tuesday, and they are going to teach us about something that we've already learned about in math. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to be handed this blank PowerPoint. In the very first one, notice how it's black and white. It has just normal font. It has just the Arial font. Please change the font and please change the background. Make your presentation visually appealing. Okay, so what you're going to teach, you're going to erase this. Say that you're going to teach 3-digit subtraction. You're going to write 3-digit subtraction. Okay, then where it says by, you're going to put your name, by Mallory Newton. Say you don't know what you're supposed to teach, or you signed up, but you can't remember what you signed up for. Well, here is the chart. Okay, Jaden, you were teaching elapsed time. Asen, you're teaching equivalent fractions. Aubrey, you're teaching rounded to the nearest 10. Briar, you're teaching comparing fractions. Lucianne, you're going to teach 3-digit subtraction. You didn't get to pick what you signed up for because you missed that day. So this was the last thing available is 3-digit subtraction. So that's what you're going to teach us. Cameron, you are going to teach us scram. Ella, you're going to teach area. Forum, you're going to teach 3-digit addition. Christian, you're going to teach fractions on a number line. You weren't here that day either, so I signed you up for fractions on a number line. And Vivian, you're going to teach us rounding to the nearest 100. Okay, so everybody knows what they're teaching. So that needs to be your title right here. So I'm pretending I'm Lucianne, 3-digit subtraction. It says teacher example. Okay, so you're going to actually work it out and show them how to do it first. So this is where you'll put your problem. Say you were doing 3-digit subtraction. Well, then you would do 453 minus 299. And then you would show them how to do 453 minus 299. Then you have a student example where you ask them to do it and then you check their boards. So you'll say, all right, here's your problem next. Show me that you know how to do 821 minus 428. And they'll work it out and then you'll check their board to make sure that it's correct. And the last problem that they're going to do is a word problem. So you have to create a word problem. For example, there were 543 sheep on Old MacDonald's farm. He sent 431 to another farm. How many sheep are left? So you know you're supposed to subtract there. And I just pulled that from my brain. Okay, so you're just going to pull a word problem from your brain for the class to do. And the last thing you'll do is you'll give them an exit ticket. So an exit ticket problem would be 432 minus 197. Okay. And they'll do it. And then you'll say, all right, you're good to exit my class. Okay. Because it's your class at that point. So you'll start off with a teacher example. Then you'll do a student example word problem, and then you give an exit ticket. If anybody has any questions about these presentations, don't hesitate to holler. Hope you guys have a great Thursday.